Welcome to Talent Tuesday with my good friend Marie-Louise of Marie-Louise Art and myself. If you missed her wonderful creation, her premiere video link will be in my description below. Make sure you check it out. Welcome to Kim's Art Alchemy, and today it's Talent Tuesday, and I'm collaborating with Marie-Louise, and I've got two, great. Two molds. Let me find my lid. And I'm gonna do almost exactly the same thing in each one. But the white is gonna be different. For this one, I'm gonna use Julie's Bloom Paste. And for this one, I'm using High Tide Piggy Paste by this little Piggy. Let me get these out of the way. And how I put the whites into the molds will be different as well, but how I put the colored resin in to each mold will be the same. As you can see, I'm just squirting a bunch in. That was Violet. And the other one was Forget Me Not, both by Decor. And I have equal amounts of resin in each one of these little cups. All right. The resin that I am using is Bond Craftor Epoxy resin, regular 1-to-1 resin. All right. My white for this one is really opaque. And I'm gonna drizzle it around the edge of this one. Basically, doing the lace effect for this, except I'm not using the right resin for it, so I'm not sure. In fact, I'm pretty sure it won't work. It's just could just be a fun experiment. Could be a dud, but I don't know. Okay, so what are we doing? I am going back to my acrylic pouring days, and I'm gonna do a kiss pour, which I think I only ever did once, maybe twice, when I was doing acrylic pouring. So let's see how I do here. All right, now on this side, I'm just gonna do the same thing again. That was hard. Oops, keep the streams together. So you are trying to dispense the same amount from each cup. Not bad, not bad. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get the remainder out of those. I'm gonna go round, perhaps in little lines to keep it somewhat similar. Just do like little spirals. There we go. I wonder if I should do something in there. I have a little, like I said, a little bit left. Maybe I could do like a little bloom. All right, let's do it. Who knows what we'll get there? Well, that was fun to play with. And I'll be back when these have cured. Bye for now. It is demolding time. As you can see, I put silver backings on both of these. Silver seems to be my new favorite way to back something when I'm trying to figure out what to do. I was thinking white would be good, but then no, because the white from the petals would disappear. Black would be too dark, blue would be too blue with the blue, same thing. So this is what we have. A little bit of overflow on that. All right, let's do it. We'll do this one first. Ooh, well, that's an interesting effect. And my bloom worked. I thought with all this coming in that it would shrink down to zero, like nothing. It would be like some weird thing in there. But look, it's very delicate. Oh, and look at my paste. I didn't do obviously a very good job of mixing up my white paste, but wow, that is really cool. It's just so barely there. But look at the kiss. There's definitely that ring of blue that's going through there, and in here, a little ring of purple. I think that's pretty cool. All right, and then this one, are we ready? Oh, okay, that one's a little sad. Aww. My petal mixture, so the lines that I did were too thin. And yeah, that's a bit of a shame, isn't it? The lines were too thin, and so they just got blurred all over. It's way too delicate a piece. You can't see anything. But that was a cool experiment, wasn't it? And the silver backing actually works quite well. If you could just actually see the petals. Note to self, this one was very cool. So that one's, you know, obviously my favorite. I would do this again. I would just do it differently. But yeah, fun experiment. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed it. And let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you for being here with both Marie-Louise and myself. If you missed her video, make sure you go back and check it out. Her link will be in my description below. And yeah, make sure you're subscribed so that you can see me on the next video. Bye for now.